Hey guys, today I've got to hurry and get this bearing painted and prepped. We got a guy that wanted this done pretty quick. Just doing it as a favor for him. Yeah, it should be fun. It's pretty rough. I'm going to try to blend some of the dings and that out. It's going to take some time, but we'll get it looking good. You guys can check it out, hit subscribe if you like this kind of thing. I seem to get a lot of guys that want me to paint their Harleys, but I haven't really done too many of them, but this is just one of a few I've done. So go ahead and just get this going. Thanks guys. Well, got the primer on. Gonna let it dry till tomorrow, and we'll wet sand it, and hopefully be able to get out some of these flaws. We're gonna wet sand it, and hopefully we can get out some of these flaws. It's rough. You can definitely see all the nicks and dings and everything in it, but I'm not making it 100% perfect, but it's going to look really good when it's done. But, well, till tomorrow, we'll return and get wet sanded, continue on. Sweet, guys. Thanks.
So after the primer dried, I noticed these rings, and I didn't notice them before, but I figured you want to see pictures.
All right. Hey, guys. So I realized that some of these holes are a little off, and I didn't realize some of them were plugged, and they were plugged horribly. So I knocked some of the Bondo out. They just Bondoed these holes, and that's just gonna crack over time and look like shit. So I'm gonna re-fiberglass the holes up. I've mixed up a little bit of resin here. Here, I'll show you the holes real quick. So I've got this hole here, and then, oh, wait a minute, I'm seeing another hole here. Then I've got this hole, that hole, there's one hidden right there, you can barely see it, and then I have this big hole here. So I'm just gonna throw some fiberglass on the back side, and that way it has something good to bond to. And I am gonna knock out this other plug because it's just gonna look like crap later down the road. So. So I just got this chalk fiber here. I think it'll It'll be fun. Good job. Got the back side of some of these holes filled. It don't look pretty. As soon as it dries, I can fill the hole up with some fiberglass and blend it out on the front half, and should be good. But sweet, guys. Guys, got this fairing all painted up. Turned out pretty good. I just got to cut and buff it, but not too bad to do. If you guys like what you see, hit subscribe. Check out more of my videos. I appreciate you guys watching my video, and leave some comments. Thanks, guys.